Number 2. Cuisinart Vertical Propane Smoker. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly gas smoker, the Cuisinart Vertical Propane Smoke is a solid choice. With 784 square inches of cooking space, this smoker has plenty of room to handle all your smoking needs. The four 14-inch stainless racks are perfect for smoking large cuts of meat or whole fish. One of the standout features of this smoker is the 40-inch hose, which allows you to keep your propane tank out of the way. The two doors make it easy to access the inside of the smoker, and the vent on the back lets you adjust the temperature with ease. The sturdy build of this smoker ensures it will last for many smoking sessions to come. Assembly is a breeze with clear instructions, and many users have found that this smoker maintains a relatively stable cooking temperature. For optimal results, some users recommend using the water pan as a wood chip pan and placing an extra pan on the lowest shelf for water. While this may be a small inconvenience, it's a simple workaround for great smoking results. The Cuisinart Vertical Propane Smoke is a great option for those looking for a reliable, mid-size smoker that won't break the bank. Give it a try and elevate your smoking game today. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.